in the deepest and most inaccessible regions of Earth's oceans, where crushing pressure dominates and sunlight has never reached. Scientists have been recording sounds that defy any simple explanation. Hydrophones placed in abyssal trenches capture long, pulsating noises that travel thousands of kilometers through the water. These signals do not resemble earthquakes, underwater volcanic activity, or the communication patterns of any known marine species. Some sounds appear rhythmic, almost deliberate, while others erupt suddenly before fading into long stretches of absolute silence, as if something immense were slowly moving through the darkness. With every new recording, unease grows, because the ocean, which humanity understands less than the surface of the moon, seems to be producing a language of its own, echoing from places no human has ever seen. Among these mysterious signals, several have been given unusual names by researchers attempting to classify the unexplainable. One of the most infamous is the so-called biological duck, a metallic, repetitive noise that resembles a distorted call reverberating through the abyss. Others are known as ascending waves, sounds that begin faint, gradually increase in intensity, and then abruptly disappear, as if something were rising from extreme depths before retreating once more. There are also recordings referred to as decelerations, sounds that start at high frequencies and then slow down in a controlled, almost intentional manner, a behavior rarely associated with natural phenomena. Even more disturbing is the fact that these signals appear in different oceans around the world, yet share strikingly similar acoustic patterns, suggesting a common source or an unknown mechanism beyond current scientific understanding. As researchers analyze these anomalies, conventional explanations continue to fall short. These sounds do not align with seismic activity, volcanic eruptions, underwater landslides, or known oceanographic processes. They also fail to match shipping routes, industrial noise, or documented military operations. Some signals originate in regions so remote and deep that sustained human presence is virtually impossible. In certain cases, the sounds seem to adapt to their environment, subtly shifting frequency and duration as temperature, pressure, or deep-sea currents change. This apparent responsiveness raises a troubling question. Are these echoes merely passive phenomena, or evidence of something reacting to its surroundings far beneath the waves? This mystery has reignited an old debate within the scientific community. Just how complex is the deep ocean? More than 80% of the seafloor remains unmapped in detail, and every unexplained sound becomes a valuable clue. Some researchers propose the existence of unknown life forms, adapted to crushing pressure and total darkness, capable of producing acoustic signals for communication or navigation. Others suggest undiscovered geological processes or rare physical interactions occurring beyond the reach of modern instruments. More speculative theories point to forgotten technology or remnants of human experiments lost to the depths over decades. Yet none of these explanations fully account for all observed characteristics, leaving the abyss suspended between science and mystery. As global monitoring networks expand, new hydrophones continue to be deployed in deeper and more isolated regions, revealing that these sounds are not isolated events, but recurring phenomena. Some signals repeat over months or even years, appearing at irregular intervals while maintaining nearly identical acoustic signatures. This consistency suggests patterns rather than randomness. In some recordings, multiple echoes overlap, creating layers of sound that resemble a complex acoustic environment instead of singular incidents. The deep ocean, once thought to be largely silent and static, is increasingly revealed as a dynamic realm filled with activity that remains invisible to traditional exploration. What makes this even more unsettling is the scale at which these sounds travel. Low-frequency waves can cross entire ocean basins, meaning a single event in a remote trench can be detected thousands of kilometers away. This raises the possibility that humanity may have been listening to these echoes for decades without recognizing their significance. Only recently, with advanced analysis tools and machine learning techniques, have researchers begun to identify subtle consistencies hidden within what was once dismissed as background noise. Patterns ignored in the past are now being re-examined as potential signals, forcing a re-evaluation of how much information has been overlooked. In the end, these echoes from the depths serve as a powerful reminder that Earth still holds vast, unexplored realms filled with unanswered questions. Every unexplained sound challenges our understanding of the planet and hints that something may be unfolding far below the surface, unseen and unknown. And now the final question is yours to consider. Are these signals simply natural phenomena we have yet to understand? Or do they point to something far more mysterious lurking in the abyss? If this mystery captured your curiosity, like the video, share it with others fascinated by the unknown, and leave a comment with your theory. Subscribe and turn on notifications, because as long as the ocean keeps whispering from the depths, we will keep listening.